I think in this case, they would have had a difficult time selling the house because it had so many things that were run down, dated, and not even functioning. This house has very good curb appeal. It's in a beautiful community. It was just old and dated and a little run down.
For lack of a better phrase, we were kind of stuck. We knew that we wanted to move, but we didn't have the capital to get the house in the condition that it needed to be in order to be sold. So we kind of were at the mercy of our realtor to come up with some ideas, and that's when he introduced us to Curbio.
Curbio was able to help them because not only did it help increase the value, it made the house sellable because it probably would not have sold to another homeowner without them taking a significant loss on the property.
We had never heard of Curbio before. My brother-in-law, who happens to be our real estate agent, brought it to our attention. We were very upfront with him when we explained to him that we were ready to move. We knew that the house was going to need some attention, but we also shared with him that we didn't have the skill or expertise to do the renovations ourselves, and more importantly, we didn't have the funds to do that. So once he knew that that was our intention, he was able to introduce us to Curbio and explain to us their business model and how they help people. And we mentioned that we were not aware of any type of service like this before, and it seemed like a good fit. That was exactly what we were looking for.
My favorite part was the kitchen. With my background in cabinetry and woodworking, kitchens are always my thing. I just like to work on them, like designing them. The kitchen, it was not very functional at all when we got there, so we put cabinets in the proper places so they could utilize the space efficiently and make it look much more attractive to the future homeowner. New granite countertops, new nickel fixtures, new undermount sink, crown molding, and then put in a nice upgraded LVT floor. The master was a complete renovation, almost a total gut. Shower removed, all new fixtures, new vanity, new toilet, new tile floor, new light fixtures, basically a total gut. The second bathroom was a much larger bathroom. It was the main bathroom for the other 3 bedrooms in the house. And what we did there was gut it as well. Ripped out the tub, ripped out the flooring, put in all new tile, nice updated vanity with marble top, nice new fixtures, and completely refinished everywhere. On the exterior, we did a total new roof, all new gutters. We redid the railings on the back porch and replaced the screen and some trim pieces on the porch in the enclosed screened-in area.
From the beginning process of getting the virtual tour done and getting the proposal together and getting all of our questions answered, in combination with me doing my homework, by doing the research, learning about Curbio and who they were and what they do and how long they've been doing it, we felt comfortable that they were a good fit for us. I knew that I could count on our project manager and the contractors to return phone calls. We knew all the time when the contractor was coming, what to expect, what part of the house he was moving to next, how long it was going to take. So the communication was very important to us, and we were not disappointed because we had very tight communication. In order for us to sell this house and be able to sell it at the value that we thought was appropriate and be able to walk away with a smile on our face from the settlement table, we knew that we were going to have to fix some rooms up within the house. If we didn't, we knew that we would not be able to get the value that we were looking for. This really was the only way that we could do this, and we appreciate the help from Curbio, and it was a very pleasant experience, and I would recommend their service to anyone.